Their forecast.
Welcome back and happy Tuesday to you all. Let's go ahead and take a peek outside now on our RV World Yuma Skycam. It's absolutely pretty nice out there, a little hazy off to the distance as I am tracking some gusty winds for today. I'll get to that in just a moment. But first, did you happen to see the lunar eclipse in the sky this morning? Well, if not, here's a look of our viewer photo. Absolutely gorgeous out there if you didn't get a chance to see it. And if you didn't, well, we won't be able to see one of these again until another 3 years. So we will have to wait. So really soak in this nice image of the lunar eclipse that we experienced early this morning. So absolutely gorgeous out there. However, now let's go ahead and jump to our weather because there's a lot going on today. So I am tracking a Pacific storm along the coast here of California. So it is bringing some heavy rainfall, some gusty winds, and also some snow in the higher elevations as well. But if we're looking a little bit closer to home right here, well, we're not seeing a whole lot, but we do have some slight rain chances that we could experience in southeastern California. And we'll see some lingering clouds as well as we go into the rest of tonight. But our precipitation is looking pretty light for the most part, but still keeping a close eye on it as we continue with the night. And as we go into tomorrow as well, we do have that slight potential for more of those storms to appear within the desert southwest. But again, looking pretty light for the most part. But if you are going to be voting tonight, well, here's a little bit of a glimpse on your voting forecast. We'll start to increase in some cloud cover and our temperatures will be nice and cool. And also make sure you head off to our voting centers if you are going to be in Yuma. They do close at 7 and 8 p.m. If you're in the valley, they'll close at 8. So just make sure you cast in your votes while you still have time, and there is still plenty of time still left. Now let's go ahead and take a look at our winds because that is a big focus for today and going to continue even as we go into the rest of the week. But our winds staying pretty light for the most part in some areas, but we do have some stronger winds in the valley. So a wind advisory is in place until 10 p.m. That's Pacific Standard Time for the valley. Now, even though Yuma isn't included in that advisory, we'll still have those winds being pretty breezy here as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at those winds because it's going to be pretty breezy. We're being a little bit light as we go into our 6 o'clock hour, but they're really going to pick up as we go into later tonight. So we could see those winds about 40 miles per hour or stronger, especially in the valley. Now on the lower deserts here in Yuma County areas, we'll see those winds in some areas peak near 30 miles per hour. And even those winds will continue to linger as we go into our Wednesday. So we'll still have those breezy conditions staying put as we do have those winds will be pretty breezy for our Wednesday and even the rest of the week as well. Now on our air quality index presented by Imperial County Air Pollution Control District, overall not too bad, but we'll see those we'll see a little bit of changes as we go into tonight, but for the rest of the week, pretty breezy and nice and cool temperatures for the most part. In the valley, we'll have that similar setup as well. Well, that does for your 8-day forecast. We'll have more news coming up after the break.